All right, so here is the worksheet that I can share with you regarding the worksheet formats that I usually use on a project. So this is the action plan about the strategy, what has to be done in a project. This is a strategy sheet. This is a launch pad about the overall project track record. Here is the ad copies structure, strategies, tips, tricks, and things that needs to be made sure before going for a launch about a product. These are the extensions worksheets. They are very extensive sheets. I'm not sure if I'm able to explain it properly. So these are the keyword kind of segmentations, like using ChatGPT or other paid tools for this purpose. So this is extensive worksheets to organize the format, and here are for each campaign types, the strategies, the tricks, tips, everything. So I hope it explains you well about the well-defined process out here.